Well, you saw the rodent in my barn, but there's one, there are more. Those are big holes, no telling how long the tunnels are. They have to go a long way to get under my barn, under the gutter and under the barn. So this is part of my rat solution. What we did didn't work. I did all kinds of weird stuff, like I poured ammonia down there. I put, of course, if it's a big tunnel, it's going to dissipate. I poured ammonia down there. I put a whole cups and cups of hydrated lime, thinking if they want to tunnel through that, it's going to get in their eyes and it's not going to be pleasant. But I don't know. He'd still come out this morning, and I took the game camera card, and lo and behold, we have the rat. So this is a solution of, it's not a solution, it's a mix of mashed potato flakes, which we don't eat. It was in my stash, my prepper stash. Mashed potato flakes, which you know expand when they get wet. Mashed potato flakes, got a little cocoa powder, a little sugar. Had to go down there and get sugar because we don't eat sugar no more. And a lot of baking soda. Rats and mice can't pass gas out of either end. Therefore, if you get potato flakes that swell and then you get baking soda, they basically explode inside, pretty much, and it kills them. So I've got two different ones. This is going inside the, under the floor, where I can raise up the top of it. It goes under the floor near the hole, one of the holes. And this will be at night. Now I put this here. And I've cut a hole in this end, so it's a decent sized hole in this. I could put this out where my chickens, can't really mess with it. I don't want them messing with it. They don't need to be eating baking soda. They would eat the potato flakes probably. And they don't need to be eating the cocoa either. So I'll put this near the hole that comes out into the barn, and this one under the floor where the hole comes out. And because it doesn't have a lot of head space between the bottom of the concrete now and the top of the little lid thing. So we're going to do this, and we're going to see what happens. This is war, people. This is war. I've never had a rat in my barn in 19 years of keeping chickens. 19 years. And I only recently had any mice because of that stupid corrugated door. Corrugated door we didn't want on that barn. The corrugated roll-up door where they can just go around the concave areas and go around the track and come in. The little mice can. This rat couldn't. You saw, that's a big dang rat. So, wish me luck. We're on the warpath.